What's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about eyelash extension care. I have eyelash extensions, so let me get all up close and personal so you can see. So yes, these are not strip lashes. Anyway, first off, let me say how much I love having eyelash extensions. It makes my makeup routine so much easier. For some reason, it cuts out like 20-30 minutes. Just to clarify and specify, the style of lashes that I currently have are classic style, and the girl who recently did them, like, they're a lot more bold, which I love. So classic is just a single lash put on your lash. And then there's volume lashes, which are fan lash, like usually 2 to 3 lashes going on to one lash. And they're a lot more fluffy and feathery, really beautiful. And I've had those before too, and I really like them. And then there's your hybrid, which is a mix of your classic and volume lashes. Anything around your eyes, you want to make sure it's oil-free, so that way it's not wearing down the glue that's holding that lash to your lash. You do want to make sure that you are cleaning them very gently, but if you're not cleaning them, say you're avoiding getting them wet, you're going to build up your natural like oil on your skin. So you still want to cleanse them, just gently. Typically, when you go and get your lashes done, your fill time is usually every 2 weeks in between your lashes. If you take really good care of them, you could make them last up to 3 weeks, even a month. So depending on your care and the lash application, you could make them last a long time. So make sure you do your research and choose your lash stylish carefully. But now to the cleaning and care of your lash extensions, taking off the makeup. Let's get into that right now. First thing I like to do is get a makeup remover wipe and make sure that it's oil free, but if it's not, it's okay. It's not the worst thing because you're not going to be rubbing it on your eyes anyway. Just gonna remove my makeup. I don't have like a crazy amount on. So now I'm gonna clean just above the lash line and get as much as I can just by doing that without getting too close, but as close as possible. So now I'm going to use my micellar water, and this is oil-free. And I'm gonna grab this little Q-tip here and just put some of the water on it. And that's what I'll use to clean around my lash line very gently. My face is pretty clean at this point, but I am gonna go in with a foaming cleanser, and that's what you wanna use around your eyes. And I mean, might as well do the whole face, but around your eyes, you want a gentle oil-free foaming cleanser. A lot of people like to use baby wash or baby shampoo. That's fine too, and it's gentle on your eyes, so it's perfect. But you can just use whatever. I am currently using this, but usually any kind of foaming cleanser I'll go for my face, as long as it's oil-free. Lather it in your hands first. So as you can see, I've already done that. And then apply it. So I'm just gonna wash my face. But as I put it on my eyes, I'm going to be gentle and just like rub down this way. So your eyes should be pretty much cleaned at this point if you use the Q-tip and the micellar water. And this is just gonna get any little like residue that's left over. And then I'm just gonna clean like the rest of my face like I normally would. All right, so now that that is rinsed off, I'm gonna go ahead and pat my face dry. Careful around the eyes. Once I get to my eyelashes, I like to press them down on the towel. So I'll show you right now, like gently pat up, and then I'll go in and just pat like on top. And that's how I dry around my eyes. At this point, you see that they're kind of sticking together a little bit. This is when you're gonna get a spoolie, and this is the spoolie that I use, and you're gonna brush your lashes. So you see how they're separating? And I like to close and just like roll up. Just like that, and then like brush up. And you see how like they're nice and separated now. You want to make sure that you brush your lashes in the morning, after you wake up, and at night right before you go to sleep. And of course, right after you've washed your face, and if you happen to wash your eyes and your eyelashes, dry them and brush them right after you're done. And that's it. Put my hair back down. I'm curious if you guys have ever tried lash extensions or are interested in trying them. Honestly, I love them so much, and my natural lashes are, you know, they're not long, and that's just one thing that I really love. I have no regrets about getting them. I love them. It makes my life just a little bit easier. I wake up looking somewhat put together. So I enjoy having them. And of course, since I enjoy having them, I make the effort to take care of them and make them last longer. Comment down below if you have any, or if you're going to get any, and if this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.